the biggest spring roll I've ever seen. Let me see. Whoa. That is a big spring roll. You already put chicken in it? How that's gonna fit? Whoa. That's like a Chipotle burrito. Whoa. How do you make them this big? Look at my hand. What is that? Alright guys, so what we used was rice paper. Then we had chicken breast, and we seasoned that at our own liking, whatever that was. Then we prepped cucumber. We just diced it with a cheese grinder. Purple cabbage, bean sprouts, we left those in whole. Lettuce, we cut that up. We used butter lettuce for ours. Then we had thin rice noodles for about 3-4 minutes. We boiled those and then cooled them off with cold water. And then for our ingredients, or for our dipping sauces, we used peanut sauce and Thai chili sauce. Guys, we also added cilantro. We kept those pretty whole. We didn't really chop those up. That way they looked really nice through the clear rice paper. And then we also bought a bottle of teriyaki sauce and some sriracha. Hope you guys enjoyed our cooking video. It was just for fun. Enjoy. Leave some comments if you liked it. And they are amazing. You can make these as big or as small as you want. We made ours burrito style. Anyways, guys, enjoy and have a great day, and thanks for watching.